I am sitting inside my 2003 Dodge Grand Caravan, and let me show you something here. I'll turn this on. I've got 171,099 miles on this thing, but here's the problem. Notice that window's going up and down with this switch, and notice my rear windows, maybe you can't hear them, but they're working. They go in and out, but nothing on this front window. It is toast. So what I did was I figured it's probably the switch. I don't know if it's the thing inside the door. I know it's not the fuse because there's one fuse for all the windows, so obviously the fuse is working. So what I am going to do here is replace the switch inside here. I ordered one on eBay, and it came today. So let's check this out. So, oh hey, these are my friends here. That's Monkey, that's Grazer, and this is little silver Smoky Bear from the Smoky Mountains. But anyways, here's the package from eBay. So let's open it up. Oh, okay, it's packed real nice. Look at this packaging. Okay, so let's cut it and see what we have here. Ta-da! Alright, so this the guys packed it up really nice, obviously. So, aha! There we go. Well, this is it. Goes in like this, I guess. This is that's going to be the left side, that's passenger side, driver side, and here's the ones in the back. And so this is the door. It's got the automatic on it. You know, it's the auto down, I think. So what I need to do is, to get this switch out, I've got to take this piece off here, and I watch on the internet, and it just pries off. So what I'm going to try to do is get it pried off. I have a putty knife here, and I just coated it with some electric tape so I don't scratch up what I'm doing. Scratch my... Okay, let's see what's the best way. Where can I get this out? Man, that thing is in there. Well, okay, there we go. Putty knife is in, and let's see if I can... It's popping out. I got this one here. Oh, it's coming out. Okay, I heard it pop. Let me just... Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, that's nice and gentle, and out we go, just like that. Okay, let's look on the back, see what we have here. All right, so what we have is a okay, it's one of these things where I think you just press this down and it'll come out. All right, there we go. Nice. Well, before we... Okay, now let's take a look at this. There's 3 bolts on here. I see that this comes off. But before I take that off, I'm going to test the new switch and see what happens. So, let me just put this in. I think it's the same exact switch. Let's compare them. The back. Oh, yeah. You know... Looks the same. Okay, let's put this in. All right, turn the key on. Let's see if this works. All right, the key is in. Here's the test. Nope. Doesn't work. So, looks like the problem is not the switch. The problem's somewhere in the door. Oh man, that's not good. Okay, well, it was a good try. Let me turn the car on. Maybe it needs to be on. Okay. Well, I see the light is going down a little bit. Okay, well, looks like it's something inside. Maybe the machinery inside is broken. All right. Yeah, I think that this switch was, they said they tested the switch, and obviously the switch is working because the light is dimming. All right. Okay. Let's take this off. Yeah, hi. Okay, well, okie dokie. Hey there, how you doing, girls? Not too bad, thanks, guys. I did get a new switch. All right, so yeah, so I know the switch is working because I don't know. Okay, so okie dokie. Well, this is the old switch, and I noticed the lights are also dimming. Uh-oh, but starting to pour down rain here on me. Okay, so it's got to be something in the door right now. There we go. It was a good try. When I press the switch, this little light down here, it dims. Let me just, when you go up or down, it doesn't matter. It dims. And it also dims with the windows that work. So I think what's happening is that, let me show you. I don't know if you can see it so well on this video, but the light dims when I press it. So I think what that is telling me is this switch is working fine, and it's sending electricity somewhere to this motor inside the door, and the motor just is stuck and not working. I did try another technique to fix this, which was to bang on the door. I did that inside and outside a whole bunch, just to see if maybe the mechanism inside the door was stuck and I could unstick it. But that's not the case at all. It's still kind of stuck. I wanted to just also say here at the end that I am blessed that this window broke where it broke and when it broke. I mean, I pulled into the driveway one night, rolled up the window, locked the car. Everything was fine. The next day, it's not fine. It's not working. Now, versus, I could have been on the road somewhere and this window broke and it was halfway down or who knows what, and I'd have really been stuck. It could be raining. I didn't have plastic with me to go over it and seal it up. So in any case, this is really a blessing, and God blessed me here by letting it happen when it happened, where it happened. And you know, my old friend Philip, he tells me all the time, he says, Paul, things could always be worse. No matter what situation in, just think somebody's got it worse off. And I got to tell you, somebody could have it a lot worse off if this thing had happened, you know, out on the road somewhere. So I am totally blessed. And hey, thanks for watching. And we'll get this thing fixed up somehow.